Is your Windows PC secretly leaving your data exposed? Stop hackers in their tracks with simple registry settings. In this video, I'll show you how to apply 5 safe registry tweaks that shield your PC from malicious attacks. And I'll introduce RegistryShield Pro, the automated tool that applies all the essential Windows security tweaks safely and effortlessly. Before we make any changes to the registry, let's create a backup so that we can revert to default settings if you need to. To do this, just press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and hit enter. In the registry editor, select File. From there, click Export. Here, I will save a full backup of my registry to the desktop, and I am going to name the file reg backup. From there, select All. This ensures that every key and value is safely stored and can be restored if needed. Our first registry tweak disables AutoRun and AutoPlay. This is one of the easiest and safest registry tweaks you can make. This tweak stops any USB drive or CD from automatically running a file the moment you plug it in. That's important because a lot of dangerous viruses spread through infected flash drives that use AutoRun to install themselves silently. To fix this, navigate to this location, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, Explorer. On the right side, look for the value named No Drive Type AutoRun. If it's not there, right-click an empty space and select New. From there, click the word 32-bit value. Now rename it exactly No Drive Type AutoRun. Double-click it and change the value data to FF, which is F twice. Make sure the base is set to hexadecimal. Then click OK. From now onwards, no flash drive or external media will automatically run anything without your permission. You have full control over what executes, and that alone blocks one of the most common ways viruses enter a system. The next tweak strengthens Windows User Account Control, which is also known as the UAC. This feature protects your system by asking for permission whenever a program tries to make important changes. By default, it's not always set to the highest security level. To fix that, navigate to this part, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, system. Once you are here, look for these two entries. Enable LUA and consent prompt behavior admin. If you don't see them, create a new word 32-bit value with those exact names. Now double-click consent prompt behavior admin and set the value to 2. This means Windows will always ask for confirmation before any program runs with administrative rights. From there, double-click enable LUA and set the value to 1. This ensures UAC is active. From now onwards, even if malware tries to silently install or modify something, the UAC will stop it in its tracks. Our third registry settings disables Windows Script Host. It stops viruses that run through scripts like VBS or JS files. Hackers often use these scripts to execute hidden commands the moment you open an infected file. So let's shut that door completely using the registry editor. Go to this part, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows Script Host, settings. If the settings folder doesn't exist, right-click on Windows Script Host, choose New, Key, and name it Settings. Inside the Settings key, right-click the empty space and create a new word 32-bit value. Call it Enabled. Now double-click Enabled and set its value to 0. That instantly disables Windows script host system-wide. From now on, any malicious script that tries to run in the background will simply fail, giving your PC an extra layer of protection. Don't forget to restart your PC to apply changes. Next, we are going to stop your PC from being tampered with remotely. Windows has a feature called the Remote Registry service, which allows other computers to change your registry settings over the network. While it can be useful for IT administrators, it's a potential backdoor for hackers if left enabled. To secure your PC, we need to disable the service. Open the Run dialog box with Windows + R. Type services.msc and press Enter. This opens the services window where you can control all the background services running on your PC. Scroll down and find Remote Registry. Now simply double-click it. In the Startup Type drop-down, select Disabled. Now make sure the services is stopped. Click Apply, then OK. From now on, no one on the network can access your registry remotely, which closes a major potential door for malware. Finally, you are going to prevent dangerous scripts from running automatically on your PC. Hackers often send PowerShell or other script files through email. If these scripts run without your knowledge, they can do serious damage like steal data, install malware, or even lock your files. The best way to block this is by setting a safe PowerShell execution policy. Open PowerShell as administrator. Just search for PowerShell. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Then type the following command and press Enter. Set Execution Policy. Execution Policy. Remote signed. Scope: local machine false. What this does is, it allows scripts you write on your own PC to run normally, but it blocks scripts downloaded from the internet unless they are signed and trusted. Once this is set, your system won't allow unsafe scripts to run silently. Combined with the previous tweaks, this gives your PC a strong shield against a wide variety of dangerous malware and attacks. But what if you could automate all this with a single thief tool? That's exactly what I want to show you right now. Here's how easy it is. Download RegistryShield Pro directly from the Gumroad link pinned in the comment section. The file is lightweight, safe, and ready to go. Now we are running the installer. You will notice how clean and professional the setup is. No unnecessary pop-ups, no confusing prompts, just a simple click-through installation. And once it finishes, here's the magic. RegistryShield Pro opens up in the console, fully transparent, so you can see exactly what it's doing. Every action is visible and fully reversible if you want to roll back. Now let's select option 6 to enable all tweaks. This will apply all the recommended security enhancements automatically. First up, the AutoRun and AutoPlay is disabled. That means external drives can no longer auto-execute malware. Your PC is instantly safer from one of the most common infection vectors. Next, your UAC is strengthened. Every action that requires administrative access will now need your explicit approval, stopping any unauthorized system changes before they happen. Now, the Windows script host is disabled, preventing malicious scripts from running silently in the background. Remote registry has been blocked, cutting off any possibility of remote attacks on your registry. Finally, PowerShell's execution policy has been set to remote signed. This restricts harmful scripts while still allowing safe signed scripts to run. And just like that, everything is applied. All recommended security tweaks are active. Simple, fast, and easy. If you want your PC fully protected, click the Gumroad link pinned in the comments and get the tool.